Hello friends, I am Carly. In this video, I will show two methods to add a Gmail address and use on your iPad device. So let's watch the video till the end. The first method is using the Settings app. Launch the Settings app on your iPad. Swipe the left side panel and tap on the App section. Then swipe up and tap to open Mail settings. After that, tap on Mail accounts. As you can see, the Google account is not added here. So tap on Add Account and select the Google account type. After that, enter your email address and tap the Next button. After that, enter your password and hit the Next button. Then, follow the on-screen video steps and complete the setup process. Read the instructions and tap on Continue. Then, turn on the toggle next to Mail. You can also enable access to Gmail for contacts, calendars, and notes. Tap on the Save button at the top right corner. Your Gmail account has been successfully added to your iPad Mail app. If you check it now, you can see a recently added Gmail account on the left sidebar pane. Let's see the second method, using the Gmail app. Make sure you have downloaded and installed the Gmail app from the App Store. Then, launch the Gmail app on your iPad. If you have already added an account, tap to open Gmail. After that, tap on the profile icon in the left sidebar. Tap on Add another account. If you're new to Gmail, tap on Add Account. After that, select the Google account type and enter your email address and password and hit the Next button. As you can see here, the Gmail account is successfully added to the iPad. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.